Hello, so today I have the pleasure of reviewing a Ganiza hand blender. It is an 8-in-1 immersion blender tool with 8 different attachments or different parts with several attachments to use at home. Here are all the different parts that come with it, alphabetized. Here is the actual immersion blender itself. You can see the dial for changing the power settings, level 1 to 15. It is a dial, it doesn't lock or anything, it just turns clockwise and counterclockwise. The left end in the video is where the attachments go. As you can see, I was showing the front of the attachment piece. There's the electric cord. It comes all wrapped up in this nice bubble wrap with the cords all attached. Here's the potato masher bit. It attaches directly. Here's the immersion blender piece, the frother piece, which is my personal favorite so far that I've been using it. Here are the 2 whisk attachments, which I'm also very excited to use. It came with a water bottle with measurements down the side for whatever it is that you mix up. It also came with this single whisk attachment, which I'm also very excited about. As you can see, I'm really excited about most of the important cooking pieces that you really need. There's the water bottle cap for the water bottle. There's the single attachment piece for most of the pieces. There's the double whisk attachment right there. That's for the 2 whisk piece that you saw. Here is one of the mixing cups. I like using it for smoothies. This is a food processor. It's a little mini one, which I love. It also has measurements along the side. The lid comes off so you can put your stuff in it. Here's the immersion piece again. I wanted to show people what it looks like when the pieces are put together. Now, this immersion piece is the only one that doesn't need an adapter. The rest of the pieces do need an adapter, which I will show you. Here's how tall it looks standing up on its own. And here's what it looks like taking it off. It's pretty simple. You press the 2 buttons on the side and it comes off very easy. Here's the adapter for almost all the other parts. I'm trying it with the single whisk attachment here. And let's give it a go and see if we can turn it on. Here we go. Oh yeah, I came back and to plug it in. Oh, there it goes. You just press one of the buttons. Now there are 2 buttons. One's for regular speed, one's to add a little turbo speed to it, extra high power. And you can still adjust that speed with the power dial that I showed at the beginning. So again, there's 2 settings that you can use at all times, along with adjusting the speed, the strength of the engine overall. Here's me trying to attach. Oh, there we go. It finally slid on the double whisk attachment. I just wanted to show that everything does fit as intended. All the pieces just lock into place super easy. And then you pull the whatever attachments you have into the adapter off. You click the side buttons again to remove the adapter. And I just wanted to show you guys at the end how easy it is to hook it up to that food processor at the end, one of the last pieces. Overall, I would say this is definitely best bang for your buck. It has multiple attachments. If you know you're cooking in the kitchen all the time, you know you like to make your own coffee, you know you need something affordable, I would highly recommend this product to you.
Okay, look, doesn't turn on. I don't know what's happening. This is the first time that I'm trying this and it doesn't work. I also tried to change this part and it's still not working. I don't know what's going on. I tried to move this and it's not working as expected.
Care of yourself to some degree, but the manner in which you take care of yourself is severely constrained. This is partly why you have to be intelligent and careful and plot your way through life properly. You have to take care of yourself today, but you have to take care of yourself today in a way that doesn't interfere with you taking care of yourself tomorrow and next week and next.
Electrical burning smell. This thing is toast. After just one minor thing of blending ice chunks. Ridiculous.